Magnesium hydroxide has excellent buffering performance, reactivity, adsorbability, and thermal decomposition performance. It can be used as chemical materials and intermediates, as well as a green flame retardant and additive used in rubber, plastics, fibers and resins, and other polymer materials industry. The correct operation mode of magnesium hydroxide ball press is very important, such as putting into production before starting the magnesium hydroxide ball press, so it is in a high-load state during the startup process. Not only does it cost electricity, but it's also bad for the equipment. Therefore, according to the correct operation mode can also achieve the purpose of saving energy. The motor of magnesium hydroxide ball press is the key to how much electricity is used. After buying the ball press, it is determined that energy saving should be paid attention to in the matching of the motor. Therefore, in the purchase of motor, not only to match the equipment, but also to reduce power consumption.